Hey everyone, my name is Spencer Allen Ryder from SAR Global Tool, and I'm here today to talk about the SAR Eclipse signal system. It's a good signaling system. Basically, it's made of 3 military specification 304 stainless steel identification tags, and we got some other devices here, as you saw in the initial roll-up, and some considerations when carrying the device and how you can carry it. You know, from your keychains to your Army ACUs to your boots, your clips onto MOLLE very effectively, and it's going to stay there. So let's talk about the dog tag signal system. What you have on the front cover is a 3/4 inch disc of Solace tape. This is your nighttime signaling for this device. It's Solace tape. Solace tape's an acronym. It's Safety of Life at Sea. It's a 3M product. You'll find it on life jackets, lifeboats, bicycle helmets. It's ultra prismatic, very reflective at all angles, with a surefire light, standard G2, in the wood line, zero visibility. You're looking at about 250 meters. You can effectively pick this up. So you can imagine ground to air search helicopter with a searchlight. They're gonna pick this up long before they see your physical presence, or effectively catch their eye, so to speak. When you roll the front cover aside, you have a mirrored dog tag, okay, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You face it into the sun, that gives you your power, and the effectiveness. This specific unit has been tested currently out to 10 miles. I'm pretty certain it'll reach further. That was in some pretty optimal conditions, ground to air, helicopter coming in to pick up some guys, so they knew basically what direction the helicopter was flying in. They just reversed the azimuth and started flashing in groups of 3, basically SOS, you know, groups of 3 towards the helicopter. At about 18, 19K they picked them up, so roughly 9, 10, 11 miles, somewhere in there. Okay, when you roll it all the way open, the last tag is basically the clip. Okay, so it weighs 1.4 ounces. It's a little less than a Bic lighter, so really light, really effective, does a good job. Okay, it's not too thick, and obviously it's much smaller than what's out on the current market. Some of the mirror systems out there, you know, 3x5, 2x3. This is 1 inch by 2 inches, and it's every bit as powerful. I'm not saying this is better than what's currently out there. It's just another option. Okay, so I'll go into some of the other devices that we have here. Some of the other ones that you saw, like on the watch, some of them that I'm wearing. These are micros. This one's made in stainless steel, and it's got a small patch of reflective material on it. This one's made in what's called G10, which is a handle material commonly used on knives. It's fireproof. It's pretty much indestructible. It's got a 303 or a 316 stainless steel washer that's been mirror polished, that's held in place by a bronze rivet once again. And then on the back it has the Solace tape, a small disc of it. Not quite as effective as the 3/4 inch, nor is the mirror, but in a pinch, if this is all you got, you'd be pretty happy if you were trying to effect some sort of rescue or signal somebody for some reason. Okay. Talking about signal mirrors and how good they do work, at Nellis Air Force Base during a Red Rock exercise, there was an Air Force pilot effectively picked up a signal at 99 miles. And in the Army survival manual, pilots have claimed to picked up signal out to 160 kilometers. So that's pretty incredible stats for something that's no batteries required type gear. Okay. And like I said, as you can tell, some of the different things, this one's been O-ringed onto a watch. Here's my keys. The Army ACU, this thing basically just clips on via the clip. It stays in place. The pocket's still effective, and hey, you can't even really tell it's there, and your pocket's still clipped in place. I got one I carry in my boots. I keep one laced in, and then this just demonstrates how you can clip to molly, and then you can obviously turn it around so you don't have any reflectability out if you're doing a night movement or something of that sort, or you just want to protect the tape so it doesn't get damaged. Okay, now I'm going to go right into how to use this thing. Okay, at nighttime, what you're going to be looking for is anybody flashing their light, you're just going to want to move it back and forth right at their light source. It does have a hole in it. You could use the hole if you needed to aim at it, but it's not really necessary. They just need to catch a corner of this, and you can imagine in a dark environment, not competing for any other light sources, they're going to pick it up. Okay, but in an urban environment where you're competing with other light sources, it's going to be a little less effective, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so for the daytime signal portion, basically what you're going to do is you're going to look into the sun. Okay, you're going to put your hands out in a victory sign. What you're going to do is you're going to bring the sun, you're going to catch the flash in the mirror. Okay, and once you catch the flash, sorry, I'm kind of running out of light here, and wham, that's all you do. So you can walk it around, you can bring it right up, walk it around, and bring it right into the sun. Okay, so, and you want to do that in a series of 3 flashes. So 1, 2, 3, and that's basically it, folks. It sells for about $15 shipped. I got a lot of them in stock. You're welcome to call me or shoot me an email, and you know, so basically the SAR Eclipse signal system. Get some. Thank you.